It's Valentine's Day and we're gonna make a Dubai chocolate cake.
It's a cake with a chocolate mousse, a chocolate sponge with cocoa nibs, white chocolate ganache with kadaifi, and on the bottom, a little bit of a raspberry jam with rose water, covered with chocolate like in Dubai.
And this is something we can only get from you at Bilbouquet Market. And we're gonna show you how François makes this. Okay, what's our first step?
The cake is already done. Alors I use this kind of mold because it's a plastic. I use once and I throw away. See, I put them under the water and look.
Because this was in the freezer, right?
Yes, and look. Now easy to unmold. Boom.
Beautiful.
Let me pour the glaze.
Oh wow, that's beautiful.
I want to have enough glaze to cover this cake. Now you wait a few seconds, and it's cold, to have the glaze to set. You cannot make a fresh cake and be able to glaze because the reaction with the cold and the heat. Now I'm putting the cake on the tray, very gentle, no mistake possible. Voila. Now we're ready for our decoration. Alors,
these are just sheets of gold leaf.
Edible gold leaf is not the one in your ceiling because the one in the ceiling you cannot really eat them.
This is real decadence for Valentine's Day.
I think it was an incredible experience for people. They want something so special because every time they go to Valentine, they always argue at the restaurant. Like that you can stay home.
You can stay home, have a little champagne, have your experience. Wow, that is amazing. That is so delicious. Happy Valentine's Day.